everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online, guys, and take a look at our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Sorry, a little cold today. Today we're going to look at a gorgeous 1970 Plymouth Duster, matching numbers car. I actually just took this car in on trade. Factory FC7 Plum Crazy car. That is the original white vinyl top, factory white vinyl interior. Again, it is a matching numbers 340 car. It comes with the matching numbers trans. It has a TCI trans and converter in it right now. Factory rear end, 323 sure grip. It's got the BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Stock rallies. Pretty car. Drove it a little bit this morning. Really just a good car. Car runs and drives excellent. Good solid straight body. There's a few little things that you can kind of nitpick. I'll kind of show you those as we go through, but man, awfully nice. And again, matching numbers 340 car. Looks like the front grille and trim, it's original. Very nice. There's a couple little stone pecks you can kind of see in it. Chrome's nice, stainless is nice. Again, it is an original FC7 Plum Crazy car. Paint on the car is pretty. This, and again, we're going to nitpick this. This is the original vinyl top. This has not been replaced. So you can kind of see there's a little discolor to it. Previous owner never changed it, and I think he's right. I would not mess with it. I think I would leave it alone. I think it looks great. Again, if you wanted to put a vinyl top on it, you could, but that's the original vinyl top for the car. Car's nice and straight down the sides. It's got the chrome tips. They got a little discolor to them, but still nice. It's got the stock 14-inch rallies on it with the BFGs. Little mark there in the stripe. Does have the front disc brakes. All 340 Dusters had disc brakes in 1970. Sorry, better clarify myself. My buddy Chad from Pennsylvania is the one who educated me on that. Again, matching numbers 340, 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Does have power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got an MSD Pro Billet distributor in it. They've eliminated the heater box, so there's no heat in here. Aluminum radiator with a shroud. Again, it's got a TCI automatic trans with the TCI torque converter in it. Comes with the stock converter and the original trans. We have that in the back room. There's your fender tag. Good looking car. Dash in there looks good. Mirror's nice. Pretty paint on the car. Again, factory white vinyl interior. Bucket seats, console. It's got the factory gauge dash in it. Dash is very nice. Showing 19,578. I'm going to assume that's flipped over. It's got the factory vacuum indicator in it. It's got aftermarket radio mounted underneath the dash with some gauges. And the owner's manual's in the glove box. Flowmaster, actually I think this is just a standard dual exhaust with the chrome tips. It's a 323 sure grip rear end. That's just a little glue, guys. They're a little overzealous when they put the weather strip on. So all body color in here like it should be. Looks like it's got the original pan still in it. There is a spare in here with the jack. You can see it's still got the original insulation on the quarters. Good car, good quality car. Car's nice and clean underneath. There's a little spot here where you can see the clear coat is kind of reacted here. I'll have the guys fix that. Seats are nice. That dash is in good shape. Steering wheel's in great shape. Again, the gauges are nice and clear, and stock radio's in the dash, aftermarket mounted underneath. I always like 340s, man. I think they perform well. I like them better than the 383. Vacuum gauge works. Look like all your gauges are working. Oh, the oil pressure's down here. It's not working up there. Okay, temps gauge and everything's up there is working.
Working in, it's working down there.
Yeah. Radio works. No on the blower motor. You don't have it hooked up. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's a pretty car, man. Factory FC7 Plum Crazy. And like I say, a good driver. Man, this thing goes down the road nice. Traffic out here. Have a great day, guys. guys.